Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. And you know what? You guys could do me a solid. Smash the like button, please. That would really help out. Um, Even if you're only watching for like a minute and 50 seconds or whatever, just please smash the like button. That really does help me out. So I would really appreciate it. And check the description for a promo code that gets you your first month for free on Helium Mobile when you decide to try them out. You go through the same, go through the setup process, and where it says apply promo, type in my code. That will give you your first month for free. Of course, there's a $25, hold that will happen when you first set up your account, but after a couple of hours, that money will be refunded back to you. So don't worry if you still see like a $25 charge or $20 charge, something like that. That's just verifying that you have an active payment method. But anyways, why am I sitting out here? Well, it's like 39 degrees, so it's pretty cold. But I'm sitting out here because I have a package coming that I'm gonna unbox in this video. Obviously, you saw the title. However, I don't live in the best neighborhood. My apartment is in an area where there's been a rise in homelessness. So there's a lot of homeless people out here. There's a lot of porch pirates because they're trying to find things to help them survive. So they will rip off your packages if it's left at your front door. This is how they get stuff like blankets and sweaters and stuff like that. And so I don't want them ripping off this package. So I've been up. It was supposed to be delivered between 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. So I've been up since 4 a.m. this morning waiting for it. And it's only several stops away. Amazon Flex drivers delivering it, so I seen their profile pictures. So I know who they are and whatever, and I'm just waiting for them to show up. Once they do, I'll get the package, get it inside, and we'll get it unboxed. So yeah, stay tuned. And so it arrived. Well, let's take it inside and get it open. This has got to be one of the smallest smartwatch packagings I have ever seen. Most smartwatches, they come in a sizable box, but this is nearly flat. I was not expecting this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it open and get the watch out and show you guys what it looks like, but I'm just still kind of baffled. It's just in like this plastic tray with like a fold cover on top of it. And as you can see inside there, you have the watch band, which honestly feels really good. I was not expecting it to feel that way, but here we have the actual watch itself. And it's light. It is not heavy at all. And I believe, yep, this is the charging cable. So all that, this really thinned out package for it. I honestly feel like that other companies should take cue of the packaging design from CMF by nothing. You guys will probably have less waste. So yeah, I don't save these things. So let's just rip it open and get it off. Don't want to deal with that. And here's the watch itself. It is on the thick side, so I'll show you guys a comparison to the Pixel watch here in a second for size. But the back of it is plastic. I know some people were kind of probably looking at the plastic and being like, oh, that's cheapy, but I don't mind at all whatsoever. And I believe these are 2mm bands, so you can get like third-party 2mm bands and use them on this watch. But I'll probably just stick with this strap. This strap seems pretty nice, and it looks fairly easy to get it in there. And it actually is. You do have a little switch that makes it easier to put in. Not like the old days of putting a watch band on a watch. You had to use this tool to kind of just push the lock pin to release. They've, like other companies, they kind of put that switch there. And one of the things it does remind me of, honestly, the Pebble watch. The Pebble watch time, it reminds me of that. So we got some juice. There's some battery, CMF. You guys saw that. Little QR code pops up. So QR code to begin the setup process to pairing it to your device. I will eventually try this watch on an iPhone to see how it pairs, but I've heard that with an iPhone, for some reason, notifications don't work all that great. So we'll find out. As you saw, it does not do tap to wake. You would have to push the side button to wake the display, or you could actually turn your wrist towards you and it will wake the screen, which is a nice touch. There it is, right beside my Pixel Watch. So you guys can see it is thicker than my Pixel Watch. All right, so that's a quick unboxing of the CMF Watch Pro. I'll probably have my first impressions review. Latest is Friday. So I'm gonna take a couple of days to kind of get to know the watch and see how it performs along with my Nothing Phone 1. But that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash the like button. First time subscribing, thanks for doing so. Hit the bell notifications to be notified when I upload a video. Check the description for a promo to get your first month for free on Helium Mobile. My gift to you guys. Mele Kaliki Maka. Aloha.